Ever find yourself scratching your head, wondering how to track those sneaky cash expenses in your budget? You know, the coffee you grabbed on the way to work, that quick stop at the farmer's market, or even the cash you handed over to your kids for their school trip. The truth is, while apps like Rocket Money are brilliant at automatically tracking your credit and debit card transactions, they can't magically know about the cash you're spending. But don't worry, there's a super simple way to make sure every last dollar, bill, and coin is accounted for. Adding cash transactions to Rocket Money. Here's a quick guide on how to manually add your cash spending into your Rocket Money budget. First, open the app and head over to your budgeting tab. You'll see an option to add a new transaction. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the details. You'll need to input the amount you spent, the date of the purchase, and a short description. This is where you can be specific, like coffee at the corner cafe or produce from the market. Next, and this is the important part, you'll need to categorize the expense. Rocket Money has a ton of categories, so you can easily find one that fits, like groceries, dining out, or entertainment. Pick the one that makes the most sense. Finally, and this is a pro tip, you can choose to assign the transaction to a specific account. Since this is a cash expense, you can simply select a generic account, or if you prefer, you can create a dedicated cash account within the app to keep things extra tidy. Once you're done, just hit save. And that's it. By taking just a few seconds to manually log those cash transactions, you're building a more accurate and complete picture of your spending. This helps you stay on track, reach your financial goals, and truly understand where your money is going, whether it's on a card or in your hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.